Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the cons of having a trellis system in your garden. First of all, you need to have a strong one. You can buy them or you can make them on your own. These are cement forms that we have used for part of our trellis system. We also bought some, which are right here. And I don't know what they called them. Maybe they were made for tomatoes, I have no idea. But we use them all the time for various things. Anyway, there are other trellis systems you can make for yourself. We have a bean. These are pole beans, and they trellis up these right here. And we use these strong T-posts. And my husband also ties a paracord from the top here over to this post here across our pathway to make sure the tops of these are strong, because once the pole beans get up here, they get a little floppy. So anyway, it's just part of making them stronger. If they aren't strong, you'll have them collapse, and that's just not fun. But another con is they can cost money, and it all depends on if you make your own or buy them. The one we have on the end here is from Amazon. We got it through the Vine program, if you've ever heard of that. So we are testing it out, and it has already blown over. It did before we have plants on it, but it needs like rebar to help make it so that it doesn't blow over in the wind. Anyway, we have cucumbers on this one. So those are the main reasons why you need to have good, strong structures. So they can blow over. These are pumpkins that we are trellising, and they take time. That's another thing. If you can't come out and pay attention to the garden, your trellis plants will behave like teenagers. And with too much time on their hands, they wander around and they can get into trouble. So you just have to supervise your teenage plants and make sure that they go where they're supposed to go and they don't wander and vine up something that would be detrimental for both plants. I also mentioned that if you have it collapse, well, that's not really good for your plants. Another reason is some may find it easier for pests like caterpillars or borers. We have not had that problem yet, thank goodness. And I just absolutely love what we have. We used tomato cages that my dad has made years ago, like those. I'll show you down here. These are cement forms again that we are vining a watermelon up on. Here is some tomato cages. These we put upside down because they started getting weak, breaking off. I mean, they're years old. My dad's passed away 12 years ago, and he used these for years in his garden, and I inherited them, and I use them for trussing like this. Here we've got the rebar, make it strong, and there is our watermelon. Yippee! I can't wait till it's grown up and we can eat it. So we use them for some tomatoes. I have not yet pruned tomatoes or staked them up. I'm just finding it hard enough to keep my time busy with everything else. So someday I will do that. If I were full-time gardener, I could do anything and everything, but I have to do it when I have time, and so that's last on my list. Anyway, so those are the cons, and I will do another video for the pros on a trellis system. Bye.